So shall I explain what we're doing over here today? What's up guys, Dani Diamond here, and today we're going to be shooting complete strangers on the street, but with a little bit of a twist. We're going to be partnering up with Molly and Zoey, a boutique here in Pier Village, and they're going to be getting these complete strangers dressed so we could do a fashion-inspired photo shoot on these strangers. Thanks to Adorama and V-Flat for making this possible. Let's do it, people! Hey guys, what's up? This is totally random, okay? I'm a fashion photographer in New York City, walking up to shoot random strangers on the street.
God, this is from TikTok. I saw this on TikTok. Come and do it. Come and do it.
Okay, so here's the deal. You guys know the store Molly and Zoey?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go to that store, and they told us that we could choose whatever we want to shoot in their store. We'll get you dressed in something that looks cool, and then we'll shoot it on the street. Sound cool?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find something. Where do you get that hair from, by the way?
This?
Yeah, where you buy it? It looks awesome.
Thank you.
Go ahead and stand right over here. You could hold the jacket. Perfect. Bring the hair in front of your shoulders if you could. That's amazing. Huh? Let's get some V-flats involved. We have any? That's perfect. Try to sit up as much as you could. Yeah, and lean forward a little. It's perfect. And look that way. I love the smile. You just smile 24/7. What were you most nervous about?
Looking terrible.
Nah, come on, you looked awesome. By the way, I think that's what everyone struggles with. They don't know how they're gonna look, and they're always like, you know, self-conscious about how they look. But once they see the picture, like, yeah, I'm pretty good looking. Basically, I'm a fashion photographer in New York City, and we're trying to make a video of walking up to strangers on the street and taking portraits of them. Is that something you'll be open to doing?
Okay, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah? And you guys will get the pictures also to do whatever you want with.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to the store, see if you can find something you feel comfortable in.
Okay.
We'll change and then we'll shoot.
Okay.
Are you ready for this? Don't worry, you're gonna do good.
Tell me what you
We had 500 choices of people to ask, and we asked you because I knew that we're gonna get good pictures of you. So
thank you so much.
hold that. That's perfect. Let's do some walking from there this way. Okay? That's perfect. Look this way. That's perfect. I love that. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, let me show this to you real quick.
Oh, nice.
Looks nice, right?
Really good, yeah.
Okay. All you have to do is just sway back and forth. Yeah, just let it just fly. Go for it. There we go. Keep going, keep going. That's amazing. Yes, just like that. That's amazing. I love it. People ask me like, what does it take to be a model? And the answer is not really looks. Like the most important part of modeling is confidence. It's just like being confident about yourself, and it really shows in the poses and the expression when someone's confident. Yeah, and the dark hair. Okay, you're Italian. We let you pass. We let you live here. Yeah, so we're just making a video, just shooting strangers, but like fashion inspired. It's cool, right? It's different. I love it. Yeah, hold your hair. Hold your hair. That's so good. So we randomly approached Victoria on the street thinking she's a stranger to the fashion industry and the modeling. We checked out her Instagram. She knows what she's doing in front of the camera, which is really refreshing after working with people who have never been in front of the camera. How was your experience today? Did you enjoy it?
Fun. I've never done that in my life. I was running down the boardwalk, sweating. They're like, do you want to take pictures? I'm like,
You were first nervous about not having your hair and makeup done,
Yes.
right? And after you saw the pictures, you're like,
Oh my God, well, first of all, you're incredible. You know.
No, you don't have to say
everything.
that.
Yes, your work is incredible. I never did a shoot without my hair.
And now she's never gonna do her hair and makeup again after today, because it just sometimes natural is the most beautiful thing in the world. But thank you so much for letting us do this. Yeah,
Thank you
for
guys
sure.
For having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Peace and love, guys. They're starting to go more from like the model industry being cookie cutter type of model to like being a lot more open about different body sizes, skin, color, everything. And I feel like this project that we did today really accentuates on that. You could go over to any stranger who has never been a model before. It could be anyone, unique looking, not unique looking, and just give them the confidence to be in front of the camera, because I think that that's the only thing that's important, that someone feels confident in front of the camera, and it's a photographer's job to make that happen always.
As photographers, everyone should understand how important it is to be able to connect with your subject in a human type of way, because that's really, really where you get the quality images. That's where you really bring it home.
I just want to say thank you for you guys to making this happen.
Danny, thank you so much.
V-Flat World
really
for life. I love you guys. Thanks to Adorama for today. Adorama, we love you. We buy all our gear from you guys here in Pier Village on the Jersey Shore. What's up, guys? Today was amazing. Thanks for making today happen, brother.
You, Danny.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.